Looking for videos on books? Then you are at the right place. As a beginner, it would be better to start with simple and easy to understand books. As you read more and more, you get more comfortable in the world of literature. Reading self-help books, fictional books, novels is one of the cheapest and best way to improve your English. Those who read simple books improve their English faster. You have to watch this video till the end because I am going to tell you 20 must-read gems of English literature. It always takes a lot of time to decide which book to pick as there are thousands of options available. So save your time as I present you the list of books that you must read. Welcome to the world of books. I would like to start from self-help book. Who Will Cry When You Die, written by Robin Sharma. This book is small in size, written in very simple English, contains different types of inspirational quotes. This book gives life lessons from a very famous book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, which was written by the same author. It's all about living completely more joyful, meaningful. Famous quotes are, "When you were born, you cried while the world rejoiced. Live your life such a way that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice." Bernard Shaw was asked on his deathbed, "What would you do if you could live your life over again?" He reflected, then replied with a deep sigh, "I would like to be the person I could have been but never was." Even the title of is enough to think, what are you actually doing with your life? How can a small change in those things can bring enormous happiness in our lives? From this book you will learn an art of living and an art of dying as well. How to win friends and influence people. This is a self-help book written by Dale Carnegie, making it one of the best-selling books of all time. The power of your subconscious mind. It contains many inspirational incidents where the power of subconscious mind changed the lives of many people. Highly recommended to build a good future for youngsters. Many people do not have goal in life, that is why they are stuck in jobs they do not want. Most people do not succeed until they are older. In fact, most success doesn't come until after you are 40 years old. According to me, this book is milestone in human growth and more importantly, getting rich. Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life, by Hector Garcia and Frances Miralles. This book is for everyone, poor and rich, happy or unhappy, modern or old-fashioned, young or old. It talks about art of staying young while growing old, about relaxing, about not running behind materialistic things. Yes, there are chapters on diet and exercise. There is no rocket science written in this book, but some of the facts are eye-opening. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. When you face criticism in your life, try to turn the pages in this book. You will find some way to cope it up and move on in your destination in whatever sector you are working. The Alchemist is a novel by Paulo Coelho. When you really want something to happen, the whole universe will conspire so that your wish comes true, is the core of the novel's philosophy. Book narration is like a story and you will get more interest. Shiva Trilogy by Amish Tripathi is a set of books. They will entertain you to the fullest. These books belong to an entirely new genre of Indian novels because of the mythological fiction theme. This is a story of the times when Shiva was a man who would be later deemed as God. The second book in this series is The Secret of the Nagas. Shiva is the destroyer of evil. This book takes you on an epic journey throughout the entire country. Amish Tripathi always wanted to be a historian and is also interested in mythology and philosophy. The White Tiger. The White Tiger is the debut novel by Arvind Adiga. The White Tiger is a book about a man's quest for freedom. Its themes are education, Indian society, self-made man, social breakdown, corruption, family. I would like to share one quote with you. Listen to it carefully. See, the poor dream of their lives of getting enough to eat and looking like the rich. And what do the rich dream of? Losing weight and looking like the poor. Interpreter of Melodies by Jhumpa Lahiri is a collection of 9 short stories by American author of Indian origin, Jhumpa Lahiri. The stories are about lives of Indians and Indian Americans who are caught between their roots and the new world. The Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee. Story of Mahabharata narrated by Draupadi. And as the name says, Palace of Illusions was the curse for war. Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, all his stories are extremely easy to read and the characters are well designed. You will fall in love with writing. The best part of the novel is you can associate yourself so well that you forget your reading about Swami and you find yourself reading about you. Every one of us has Swami inside or around us. At the end of the video, I would like to mention some fantasy fiction books and novels. Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien, Harry Potter's 7 fantasy novel. The Name of the Wind by Patrick Rothfuss, The Lord of the Rings, The Wizard of Earthquake. Pride and Prejudice, Sherlock Holmes, Around the World in 80 Days. Gulliver's Travel, To Kill a Mockingbird, Lord of the Flies. Animal Farm, The Great Gatsby, The Guide by R.K. Narayan. The Great Indian Novel by Shashi Tharoor. Midnight's Children by Salman Rushdie. Train to Pakistan, Khushwant Singh. The God of Small Things, Arundhati Roy. The Glass Palace by Amitav Ghosh. The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk by Sudha Murthy. Start reading with these books as they increase your interest and then move on to another book. Go and start reading them now and enjoy. I bet you will love them. I believe this video is going to help you a lot. I really think it will work for you because it did work for me. And what's the harm in a try? I think I'm right. You should at least give it a try and see how it goes. Let me know in the comment box. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for your support and watching this video. I will be back with another lesson. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.